back to my YouTube channel. This video is all about living a day in my life as a content creator. I really wanted to make this video because I wanted to show you all how I plan my content out, how I film, how I get ready, and the things that I do for the setups and stuff. To show you the theme for today's shoot. It's a 2000s punk theme shoot, and it's the fourth shoot of the series that I have going on. I'm really, really excited for you all to see how I manage my day as a content creator. Keep watching. After having a big cup of tea, I finally sat down and decided the background for today's shoot. Today's shoot is all about punks of the 1990s, 70s, and 2000s. So I am painting all of basically, I'm just sketching out the main themes of what they used to, like paint or draw on the walls. And I am drawing that on different sorts of A4 sized papers so that I can stick it as my background. Okay, so let's just decide now what the outfit and the accessories should look like. Please ignore my cat. He's literally meowing in the background. Anyways, I am going for this black kind of grungy, like vintage sort of look because like the punks used to dress up like that, like a rock star and stuff like that. For the eye makeup, I wanted to go like blue and sparkly. This is the hairstyle that I decided to make, and these are some pose inspirations that I want to have for today's look. You all know why I'm flexing my makeup brushes, because I just washed them and they're super clean, and I'm super excited for this makeup look. for my eyes today, as I just showed, I'm going to be doing a blue, messy, smudgy, grungy sort of makeup. And I on purposely did not blend this makeup look because I wanted it to, like look messy like the punks used to do. After finishing off the base makeup and all the makeup steps I completed, what I did afterwards is make some mini tattoos on my face with a pen ink liner by Miss Rose, and I loved the final look. I have my outfit on. I am wearing all black. और ये सिर्फ मतलब हाफ बॉडी शूट ही है, तो मुझे ऐसे शूज़ के लिए कुछ प्रिपेयर नहीं करना पड़ा. अदर देन दैट आई विल हैव टू वेयर ग्लव्स एंड अ पेयर ऑफ ग्लासेस. उसके अलावा फॉर द हेयर स्टाइल आई हैव दीज टू एक्सटेंशंस, अ पिंक वन एंड अ ग्रीन वन, विच आर super funky and kind of matches the theme well. So I think I'm gonna use those and do a very, very, very related hairstyle. So you guys, I am done with the look, और I just couldn't do that hairstyle because वो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था और extensions के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल हुई थी, और I thought कि खुले बाल ज़्यादा थीम से मैच हो रहे हैं. So I just did these two braids in the front and this braid in the extension as well, and I added a ring here. Also, these are the rings that I'm wearing. These are the earrings that I have on. Also, these glasses are up on. So now we're gonna go and do the shoot. Okay, so it is currently 6:30 p.m. and I just did my eyebrows and my upper lips and my face. So उसके बाद मैंने अच्छा वाला face wash किया and then I took a shower. Just wanted to come on here and discuss some things. और उसके साथ साथ I just have a cup of tea. तो today's video is related to content creators and how they live their lives and how they work professionally, however they work. It's all, on them. What I wanted to talk about is content creators, me being a part of it as well. And influencers, they really, I'm talking about the majority of them. कोई होंगे जो, they just get famous and बहुत कम होता है ऐसा कि they just do not do anything but they just get famous for some reason. But other than that, 90% of the influencers and content creators out there really put their heart and soul into it. If I talk about myself, I think about different content types every single day and night. After waking up, before sleeping, all I think about is what to do next and what content should I plan next and how should I film it, how should I create it, what should be the editing ideas be, should the editing looks like. Matlab, that is how I spend most of my days. I can go to my university, come back from university, clean after my cat, having lunch, create content for 10 hours straight, and then without resting for a minute, I start editing that content. So I am a person like that. I will work non-stop until I get sick. So I know I'm not recommending you that kind of lifestyle. आपको अपनी health सबसे आगे रखनी होती है, मगर it's getting a little too long, but I will get on the point right now. You should prioritize your mental health and your physical health first and then get on by doing these things. But as for me, I really love doing what I do. So it's just something that I wanted to share with you guys. What the main purpose of this topic is, what the main purpose of this part of my video is, that I really put my heart and soul into planning the things that I do, and I manage 4 socials: Likey, TikTok, Instagram and YouTube. बहुत सी मुश्किल के बाद और बहुत सी सोच के बाद एक बहुत अच्छी वीडियो प्रिपेयर होती है डालने के लिए, स्पेशली ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड यूट्यूब. बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम उस पर लगता है और उसकी एडिटिंग में, उसको सोचने में. And people out there, about other people, not everyone, but some people, what they do is just simply they would look at your content and they would just get up, do the same thing, and then post that as their own. So एक तरफ तो what you feel कि भाई अब बहुत अच्छी बात है कि you are inspiring people and you are motivating others to do something out of their comfort zone and maybe try to do something better and they are getting views and all. मगर ऐसा होता है कि आपको लगे कि भाई चलो अच्छी बात है, आप मोटिवेट कर रहे हो अदर्स को, आप मोटिवेट कर रहे हो लोगों को, तो इसलिए वो आपको कॉपी कर रहे हैं. मगर on the other hand is what I have done. It's been 5 years since I have this Instagram blog, and never once did I copy anybody else's work. के बाद मैंने उस बंदे को credit ना दिया. There is just one thing: copying somebody else's content and getting inspired by somebody else's content. When you get inspired, you will give that person, the original creator, the credit for it. Okay? If I get inspired by somebody's transition, there is no way I'm not going to give the credit to that person. I will for 100% surely give that credit, and I have done that so many times. Okay? There is no shame in telling others that you are inspired by this creator, so you are out there filming the same thing and then you. But some people, what they think is that I am seeing these things each and every single day as time is passing. There are so many things that bother me on this topic. Is मतलब एक बंदे ने इतना ज़्यादा टाइम एंड एफर्ट लगा के एक चीज़ प्लान की है, और दूसरे अगर आपने उसके कंटेंट को कॉपी कर लिया है और सेम चीज़ बना ली है अपने लेवल पे, तो एंड यू आर नॉट गिविंग द क्रेडिट टू द ओरिजिनल ओनर, दूसरों को कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये इस बंदे का काम है originally. I don't know if you guys are getting it, but that's the thing that I wanted to share with you guys, because recently I did this. I don't want to name it, because if I did, तो जो particular human beings and they would definitely get the hint, and I don't want to do that. So it's really bad seeing that. You should just give credits to the original owners, especially influencers and content creators. Anyways, that is what I wanted to talk about, and yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys feel the same. 8 p.m. right now, or it's been almost 3 days since I haven't posted on Instagram. मैं रोज़ाना पोस्ट कर रही होती हूँ मगर something is stopping me and that is the editing. I think I should get my act together and edit the description and the video and post on Instagram right now because बहुत हो गया 9 बजे तक मैं पोस्ट कर देती हूँ 8 से 9 9 से 10 के बीच में मैं पोस्ट कर देती हूँ आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू गो एंड एडिट सम इंस्टाग्राम कंटेंट और अब बैठ ही गई हूँ तो 2-3 कर लेती हूँ एडिट ताकि कल परसों भी डाल सकूँ It is now 9:24 p.m. and I am done posting content on Instagram and I also saved some content to post tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. मतलब सब कुछ ready कर लिया मैंने उसके लिए I just have to click on upload color person मतलब शुक्र है उसके अलावा I really want to recommend you guys this series Penthouse. It is one of the best series I've watched. मैं binge watch नहीं करती हूँ और मैंने इसे binge watch किया है ये पहले सीज़न को भी मैंने binge watch किया और उसके बाद अभी मैंने इसके सेकेंड सीज़न को भी binge watch किया है and it is really worth watching. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा सस्पेंस और मतलब हर एपिसोड के बाद आपको दिल चाहेगा दूसरी एपिसोड देखने को so I really recommend that. It's a K series so go and watch that. It's summer break. I am on the last episode of the season 2 right now. I'm watching it so I'm just gonna finish that. थोड़ी सी रह गई है एपिसोड थोड़ी सी रह गई लास्ट एपिसोड उसके साथ I'm just going to reply to comments Instagram comments and YouTube comments. Uploaded some TikToks and इसके अलावा I think I'm going to make some thumbnails now. एक vlog है जो मैंने February में बनाया था and it is June right now. Please don't come at me मगर I was really not motivated at that time because बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर था यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से भी मगर now it's summer break so I edited it और उसके साथ मैं सोच रही हूँ उसका thumbnail. I should make it right now. So yeah, let's make a thumbnail together. I just got done making the thumbnail. अब मैं बस खाना खाऊंगी. I'm just going to have my dinner. And for dinner I have white sauce pasta. Just finished eating dinner और now I think कि मैं एक अपनी वीडियो ready to upload कर लेती हूँ so I can upload it anytime. So yeah, उसका voice over उसका song डालना बाकी है. I think I'm gonna do that now. So it is almost 2 a.m. in the morning and I edited some content as well as I am watching this series MH370. It's about the plane that disappeared and I really like it. It's 3 episodes only where I'm really into things like this so I would recommend you guys watch it as well if you like real stories so I recommend it.